I'm currently an intern at TI. Today I'll be showing you one of the many programs on the educational MK2 booster pack. The program I'll be showing today is called JoyStick DrawColor, which basically draws a picture on the LED screen on the booster pack, pixel by pixel, according to which color you selected. At the top of the code, it begins by defining all the variables in the program, like joystick X2, defining the variables X and Y as part of the grid, and defining a string with the colors. The next part of the code initializes the colors from the string above at the beginning of the code, defining what each color will look like when you select it. The next section of the code sets the screen to all black pixels by starting in the first row and going across that row and setting them to all black, and then going to the next row and setting that row, so on and so forth, until the 16 by 16 grid is all black. The next section of the code, under the void loop section, is used by the joystick to read how far to move the rectangle on the screen, depending on how far you move the joystick. The next section of the code is used for the pixels that you draw on the LED. This section of the code states that the pixels that you draw will be solid rectangles instead of just the outline of the rectangle. This next section of the code draws whichever color you selected from the string above at the location of the cursor if you press the joystick in. The next section of the code deletes whatever pixel is at the location of your cursor when you press the button defined as button 32 and sets the pixel back to black. The next section of the code selects the next color in the string defined above. For example, if I click button 33 and the color is currently white, it will switch to the red color because that's the next color defined in the string above. This last section of the code is for the cursor that's displayed on the LED. This makes sure that the cursor shown on the LED is hollow and you can see the inside background, which is black. The Educational Booster Pack Manual. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments section below.